It's been 3 years since I've uploaded. I'm back in my bag. Like, you know, I just had like something came over me. Like, stop sleeping on yourself. You already kind of built some of your platform so much. Um, Keep it going. Get back into your bag. It could really take off. You never know. But without consistency or at least trying, what's gonna happen? Nothing. So I'm back, and like just now, I uploaded a short earlier, but I'm like, I'm refreshing this bulb, y'all, because I'm not quite ready to take it out. And I'm like, you know what? You can make that your video. Get the people an update. I don't even know if y'all been looking for me, but if you have, you have. If you haven't, maybe on my other socials. I don't know. But yeah, this was the perfect time to catch up and chit chat, because like I said, it's been 3 whole years. Like, time be flying. So I washed my bulb. This is a quick weave, by the way. I washed it and blow dried it. It's time for it to come out, but I don't know what I want in my hair. Like, when the summertime comes, I kind of want to do a perm bra set, but do I have the energy to do that? No. So I don't know. I need to figure it out, because this is coming out probably Sunday. Let's see what's been going on with me since surgery. The effects that surgery was supposed to give, it gave. Like, far as cycle wise and all of that, it was those fibroids. Now, of course, still get moody and stuff like that. That's normal. But as far as them being super heavy, super painful, and all of that, no, none of that. Oh, I did have to get on, my iron is still low. So that wasn't an effect from the fibroids at all. My body just doesn't absorb iron. Oh, this is slipping. 1 second. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, so, and the iron infusions is literally through an IV. You just sit there, and a little queasy after. Okay, y'all, my bad. I'm back. What was I saying? Oh, so yeah, I've been working very hard on my new product for Rode. I'm so excited about it, and it's been something that I supposed to been dropped. So I've been doing that. I redecorated my living room. Y'all will see that in one of the shorts too, when I was putting together my new living room table. You know, I just been living life. Not to my fullest though, not gonna lie. Like, not to my fullest. I need to start back going on my little solo dates. I'm going to say this year, because I'm forgetting. I've been gone for 3 years. Oh my God, this clip is not working for me. This year, I just feel like I ain't been doing what I should do, you know? Like, I need to get out more. And my little self dates were lit. So, I am about to start back doing that. The weather is breaking. Ooh, that's hot. Weather breaking, it's nice out, and it's a lot of different little, I have so many places saved, like on TikTok and Instagram. So many. So yeah. And I did not know. I knew we could schedule posts on here to post automatically. I feel like that's my thing, why I fall off with posting consistently. It's because the editing. Now, editing is cool, but it could be time consuming. And then I have so much content that it's just sitting. I never edited, so whenever I post it, it's just time for me to stick to what I say I'm going to do. Because at this point, I'm tired of talking about doing it. Like, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. So it's just time to really stick to it. Because I honestly like doing it. And like the people say, everything is content. Literally, everything is content. I do want to go back to school. I still want to do IT. Like, that is a goal of mine. This piece is too big, homegirl. You know, another thing, I'm giving y'all a little life update, but I don't believe in telling all your moves. Like, the stuff I'm telling y'all, some of it is like, oh, besides Roday, but that's going to come out very, very soon. My other goals is like, and things that I have planned, y'all will see it when it happens. It's a lot of monitoring spirits, even though I believe in the higher up. He got the last say so with everything. People be praying on your downfall. What else do I want to chit chat about? So, okay, that's what we can talk about. I went to this herb store, Dynamic Wellness. If you're in DC, it's on H Street. The lady in there was so helpful. I love that store. I think I spent about $250. I got so many herbs. I should do a video on that. Raspberry leaf, dandelion, red clover top, and I put cloves in it. And of course, cinnamon. A little honey. Some nights I don't put honey in it. When I tell y'all, at first I just was drinking it. You know, they say before your cycle, drink the raspberry tea. But that tea is so good. It's like a part of my night ritual now. So at first I was just drinking it that week leading up to homegirl coming in town. But now I drink it every night. And when I say I get the best sleep ever, the best sleep ever. Like, oh, I forgot the main thing. So I put soursop in it too, the soursop leaves. So that doesn't go in the strainer, that just goes in there. So y'all, all this time I thought soursop was going to taste like, I don't know, I thought it was going to be bitter or something. No. Soursop is really, it comes from a fruit. It comes from a fruit tree. And it really tastes, it's a good taste. It's not a, you know, because I just heard soursop. That's our problem. Just hear stuff and be like, I'm not going to like it. But I feel like I'm not doing a good job with this flat iron. I don't know. I just needed to look a little like something. I'm not even going over. Yeah, I put the soursop leaves in there too. It's so good. So if you're in, well, I'm sure wherever you are, you can purchase those herbs and make you some tea. And the lady, the store owner, and the lady, one of the workers, was so helpful. I'll do a video with about the other herbs that I got. But that's the tea that I make every night. And when I say your girl be knocked out. I have a habit of waking up at like 3 in the morning. No, it's none of that. I be asleep for the night. Don't wake up till it's time to work. Oh, I got into makeup. Your girl is into makeup now. However, I haven't really been. Where have I been that I did my makeup? Oh, I went to the winery for my aunt's birthday, and I did my makeup. But other than that, it's getting hot. So maybe I'm not that into makeup because I don't know. But I guess you just figure out what you don't gotta do a full beat. But yes, I have so much makeup. I guess I should do a video on that too. Oh, I really missed a lot with y'all. But you know what? That helps me with my content because I can show more of what's been going on. I went to Ulta one day and just when I had some extra money, because I did not know makeup could be pricey like that, but I like it, like, you know. But yeah, I'll do a video on that. But yes, I'm into makeup, y'all. Never thought I'd see the day. I think I gotta glue a piece of track in up here. I want some curly hair. That is what I really want for the summertime. But I have so much like inventory and everything that I want to get for Rode. That needs to come first because it's like you can make money from that money that you're putting out. Hair is not that important. Like I have a bunch of bundles in here that I can use. What else? Oh, that really been going on. That's really been going on. I think so. I've been posting a lot on TikTok. But it's like, it's so much like, you know, once you get out the loop with things, you really out the loop. Because yesterday when I uploaded my short one here, I didn't know you could share it to TikTok and YouTube from CapCut. I don't know. I just gotta get back on it. Get back to it, like I said. Hot comb went out on me. I don't know how. Oh, I got a wig for my birthday. I loved it, and it was burgundy. Ooh, I think I am. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. I did get tired of the color so fast. I was like, this gotta go. Good thing I know how to do a little one too to fix my hair. Cause if not, I don't know what homegirl was gonna do. Yo, why when I got this bob, I didn't realize till I got home, I never get my bob on this side. I think I did cut some of my hair. Oh my God. Definitely cut some of my, oh no I didn't. That's why I look, this is not my hair. Y'all, I thought I cut my hair, but the piece of hair that I just put in was in the back and it's shorter than the top was. I was like, oh my God, it's cool. But you definitely can tell. Yeah, I just do like this. Can't tell then. And it's coming out, so y'all probably like, girl, say that one more time. Yeah. Oh, I was saying the show Polygamous. I think I'm gonna watch that tonight. I keep hearing the people rant and rave about it. I really, you know how you feel like you don't get the full effect until you do your edges? I'm gonna do my edges. Might as well. I feel like this was a little yap session. But it was an update, so that was cool, right? I ain't got to see me freshen up this little Bobby on it. You know, sometimes I be feeling like, because I'm very, don't get me wrong. When I'm out with my friends, we sipping some wine, little kiki, I can, you know, but for the most part, I'm real like chill, laid back. So I be like, what if I'm too chill? But I gotta stop thinking like that too, because I was watching this lady YouTube yesterday, and she was just like, you know, you for somebody. Somebody might like that. Somebody might don't like somebody that's always just hype on their channel. You know? So, yeah. I be thinking into things too much. That's all. And then end up holding myself back. But yes. This is the outcome. We done. This gonna last me for the weekend. And then my next video, I'll be doing a perm rod set. I don't know why this, like it's doing it at the neck. Oh, there you go. But yeah, we are done. And I will see you all when I do the perm rod set. I'm happy with how it turned out. Look presentable. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this all over the place yap session. And I will see you all next video. Sorry, y'all. And more videos to come. Because I'm not playing. I'm really not playing.